Right, going again. Footsie got the stop button. Oh, and then we got the go. Literally, stop and go. Stop and go, Birbs. Whee! Oh, yeah. You come back. There'll be a mass arrival again in a moment. Hello. Yep, incoming returneration of the Berberation. Whee! Come on. Come on, Lizzie. Come on, Lizzie. Lizzie. Oh, hello. Hello, Lizzie's son. Got to give you a name. Something. Got to give you a name, eh? Oh, thank you. You're chewing on my ear. Why chew on my ear? Oh, yeah, I squawkiest. Give you a name that relates to squawkiness, hey? 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 Whoop. Whoop. Thank you, Hong Kong. Yes. So, the naming is the next thing. For boy Birb. Squeaky for squawkies. Squawkers. Hey, Squawk. Call you Squawk. Hey, Squawk. Squawk. Squawky. Hey, Squawky. Hello, Squawky. Oh! Squawky got told. Hi, how you going? Hey, hello. Come on, Foots. Come on, Foots. Hello, come on. Hey. Whoop. Bobs and Bobs. Whoop. Bob a job. More arrivals. Derby Baggeths. Thank you, Lizzie. Kisses galore. Kisses galore. What else have you got in the Derby store? Come on, Lizzie. Kiss, kiss. Thank you. Kiss, kiss. Hello. Yes, hello, Birb. Hello, Birb. Come on. Come on, hello. Come on. Wrap around. It's like, nah, bugger you. I'm not giving you any heroes. I just want to get my beak in. Thank you. I've got to get my beak in this seed. Hey? Pillow birdie. Hello. Hello. The pillow bird. Hello. Say hello. Come on. Yay. Ooh, bit of a flap off. Down to a couple of Birbs. Hello, Birb. Hello, Birb. You're gonna say anything? Hello? Hello. Say hello. Come on, hello. Oh, that's it. That's what we want. We want to get one of your rare heroes. Oh, Footsie. Come on, Foots. Footsie's on the phone. Footsie's on the phone. Bring, bring. Lizzie. Footsie. Whoop. Footsie's on the phone. Footsie, you got your foot on the camera, on the lens. you really love that position, don't you? You do. Oh, hello, Chucky. Hello, Chucky Meister. Come on, Chucky. Come on, Chucky. Oh, swap. Thank you, Footsie, swapping the camera for me. Whoop. Oh, Lizzie, kissy kiss. Chucky. Whoop. Swapsicles from the verticals. Footsie, come on. Chucky. Chuck, 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 chuck. Thank you, Lizzie. Kissy kiss. Footsie's on the phone. What was that peckification? All those camera swaps Footsie's controlling. Chucky. Chucky, chucky, chuck, chucky, chuck. Thank you, Lizzie. Swapsies in again. Well, these Foots. Hey, Swapsicle Footsie. So many songs. There you go. You put your fingers in. Chucky. Chucky, chuck. Footsie's on. Chucky. Chuck, chuck. Chucky. Come on, Chucky. Oh, Chucky's got no. Thank you, Lizzie, for a kiss. Wrap around Birbs' ears. Chucky, Chucky. Hello, Bird. Hey, hello, Bird. You telling Footsie no? You're not allowed to go and peck the puss. Come on, Footsie. Come on, Footsie. Come on, Footsie. Let's get you some more, shall we? We've already got down there. Oh, hang on. We got a hop-on-ski. Chucky, what's going on? I got a double bird ski. Yes, Chucky, lay an egg. I know. Oh, I've got Footsie on hopped up. Hello. You're gonna say hello, are you? Chucky, lay an egg, Chucky. Oh, Chucky, you've gone too. What are you carrying on about, hey? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Whee! Hello. Hello, Tux. Hey, Tux. Oh, hey, Tux. Thank you, Liz. Tux bird. Tux bird. Oh, thank you. Come on, hang on. Right, let's get you some more. Hey, you, stop digging in the bag from the bottom. Hey, Birbies, can you let go of my collar? Thank you, because I'm trying to get you some more seed. Excuse me, Bob. Excuse me, I'm coming through. Excuse me, Bob. I detect a fluffy cater. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, Lizzie. Yeah, we just have a bit of standard seed at the moment. Hello, Tux. Hello, Tux Birb. Bugsy! Hello, Bugsy. How are you, Bugsy? Bugsy Birb. Bugsy. Beaker fires. Oh. Hello, Bella Birbie. Hello, Bella Birbie. Come on, Bella. Come on, Bella. Bugsy. Bugsy. Thank you, Bugsy. Come on. Tux Birb. Come on, Tux. Hey. Ooh, okay, Bella. Okay, Bella. Come on. Come on, Beaker Fires. Ooh. Wobble later. Ooh. Hey. Stretch your beak. Stretch your beak. Yummies. Yummies. Oh, who's... Come on, get in there. Hey, there's room up here for a Footsie and a Chucky. They're up the tree for some reason. Hey? Tree are the Birbs. Got 3 in the bucket. Boop, boop. Mass population. Hey. Yep. Huge population and everything in the cockatoo world's gone. Gone from the tree. We're down to clean-up crew only. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Dust on the phone from the featherations or the flapperations.